Hi, my name is Jonathan,
My name is Filza.
and our PBL project is a gesture-controlled robot. Throughout the video, we will be introducing you to our project as well as giving you a tour of our website.
In the future, robots will be one of the most advanced and abundant technologies. Some background information you may need about robots is that they're electromechanical systems operated by a computer program, and they may be autonomous or semi-automatic. Gestures-controlled robots are robots that can be controlled by hand gestures. The main goal of this project is to use an accelerometer to control the movement of the robot with hand gestures. We were able to accomplish this by dividing our project into two different components: channels and recipients. The total materials we used to complete this project are Arduino One ultrasonic sensor, 4 DC motors, an external battery, Arduino One extension, a laptop with a camera, an optional external web camera, Arduino software, and PyCharm.
Our procedure was to have a small transmitter device that contains the accelerometer to send the appropriate commands to the robot so that the robot can do what we want. The transmitter includes an ACD for analog to digital conversion and an encoder used to encode 4-bit data, which is transmitted by the RF transmitter. The receiver then receives the encoded data and the decoder IC decodes it. A microcontroller processes this data and uses a motor driver to control the motor. Because the user is using their hands, it will send a signal to the decision. An accelerometer output is collected for the microcontroller processes. According to the sensor output, the controller functions and sends each signal to the motor. It moves to the drives using the two DC motors, and the motor drivers are used to and supply sufficient power to the motor. All of the material is mounted on a metal chassis, if you move your hand to the right, the robot will move to the right.
So here's a video of what our code looks like. So this is the PyCharm code, and then I'm going to skip through so you can see our Arduino code. And then towards the end of the video, we display what the actual tracking software looks like. Here's another video of our functioning robot and the tracking software together. As you can see here, the robot is moving according to pre-programmed gestures of the hand. Now, machine learning and human interaction with technology is the future of the world of technology. And our social studies and English components elaborate on the applications of our PBL. This technology can eventually be used in almost any sector, such as agriculture production and disaster relief, and we also hope to start with personal care for those with disabilities to make everyday tasks easier. As computers become more sophisticated, tools such as mice and keyboards will soon become obsolete as machines become our own extensions. In order to catch up, we have tested computer vision and mechanical engineering to create a gesture-controlled robot. Thank you for watching, and we are presenting a PBL from Harmony School of Advancement.